Hey guys, it's Michaela over here at A-Tech Indirects and hope you're having a cool day. As always, now we are here to talk to you about media installation, our #1 concern and issue facing evaporative cooling media. And evaporative cooling industry is improper placement of media. Not only will it affect your efficiency, it can also make a huge mess. Some of the biggest issues that we see now with improper installation is gaps. Sometimes people don't order right, or maybe their measurements were a little bit off, which is fine. We've all been there. So they'll find anything else they can to place within that small gap. Maybe it's cardboard, maybe it's wood, styrofoam, we've heard it all. Maybe not cats though. That's a new one for us. You want to make sure that you have evaporative cooling media, that you have enough, and that it's all fit together perfectly like that puzzle. Keep in mind that here at A-Tech Indirects, we do custom cutting so that we can fit those gaps and fit your needs. So you can reach out to us at any time to fill in that gap. Now, another big issue that we see is just putting the media in wrong. Sometimes it's put in upside down, sometimes it's put in sideways, sometimes it's put in totally sideways. That is not going to help you at all. You want to make sure that it's properly installed because you could get a mess. Sometimes we get reports of water coming out the wrong way because it was not properly installed. It can also affect your equipment in the long run if it's not properly installed. And it's going to cut down on the lifespan of your media. You want to make sure you get as much life as you can out of the media to save you time and save you money and that heartache as well. So we're going to show you just a couple tips about media installation. Here at A-Tech Indirects, we sell the top quality media in the industry. We do both Kool and Munters products, and both our manufacturers have done different things to help you with installation. For Kool, they have these handy dandy little stickers on the side. You'll see the arrow pointing this way for airflow, and the arrow pointing up to make sure that it's upside and not upside down. When you place the media, you'll place it in like this, with that 45-degree angle pointing towards the airflow. Now over at Munters, if you check out their product, they have this handy-dandy little line at the bottom which will show you which way to put your media. It will be placed on the outside and on the bottom. You also can use their little indicators here on the side that will help to show which way to point towards the airflow and which way is the right way up. I also want to cover a little bit about a very special little tiny piece of media. Right here, this lovely little guy called distribution pad. Distribution pad is very misunderstood. A lot of times people will get distribution pads in their order and they'll see the little tray at the bottom of their whatever equipment they're installing in. So they'll place it at the bottom of their media bank. That is totally not how you want to do it. Here's why. When placed in the proper place on top of the media, it will help evenly distribute water across your entire media bank. This is going to help to create a lot longer lifespan for your media because it has more even water throughout the entire media, but it's also going to help to add to the efficiency of your media and add to the efficiency of your overall equipment. So let's show you just a little bit of an installation right here, right now with our own warehouse porta-cool. So we have our little piece that's been cut down to fit into our gap. We're going to look at the side and make sure those 45-degree angles, just like we saw on that Kool sticker, are pointing towards the airflow. You're going to place it very carefully in here. You got to be careful because it is very fragile, but you are going to have to kind of push it in there. But you'll see how well, once you do push it in, it fits together, just like that puzzle piece. It's very strategically engineered to fit together to point the proper direction to get you the most efficiency with airflow as well as water alignment and water flow. So those are just some tips and some how-tos on media installation. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns about installation or anything else concerning evaporative cooling, feel free to reach out to us at haveacoolday.com. And as always, I hope you have a cool day. Thank you for watching. Bye!